ThinkBook 15 Gen 4. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U processor. Memory, up to 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Storage, up to 512 GB PCIe SSD. Graphics, Intel Iris Xe. Ports, slots USB-C Thunderbolt 4. USB circa 3.2 Gen 2, full function, USB, DP, PD. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1 always on. HDMI 2.1 TDMS. RJ45. 4-in-1 card reader, SD, SDHC, SDXC, MMC. Headphone, mic combo. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, IPS, anti-glare, 300 nits, TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification. Keyboard spill resistant. Optional, backlit with white LED lighting. Numeric keypad. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 6802.11ax, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.1. Dimensions. HXWXD. 18.9mm by 357mm by 235mm, 0.74 inches by 14.05 inches by 9.25. Weight starting at 1.7 kilograms, 3.74 pounds. Color dual tone mineral gray. Audio stereo speakers with Dolby Audio. Dual array mics.